Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's springtime, and here at PLAEX, we've been busy pumping out our LinX. Today, we're here doing our very first install of 2026. I want you to come along while we install these two beautiful LinX shorty flower beds. Stay tuned. As you can see, that went together so quickly. It was less than 5 minutes of assembly for each of them, maybe 10 minutes to level the ground a little bit, and less than 5 minutes to put together. If you're interested in one of these beautiful flower beds in your yard, get in touch with us today. They're running off the production line every day. We can't wait to see these in more yards, making our planet more beautiful while dealing with major waste issues. If you want one, find us on plaex.ca. Thanks everyone. Stay tuned. We got so much more coming.